Hope is the thing with feathers. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heard. And so must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. By Emily Dickinson. Roosts. Gale. Very strong wind. So, causing great pain. Abash, make uneasy, make it keep quiet. Think, discuss and answer. Plus what would be the hope bird's food? Can it live on without that food? Chillest land, here it means the most difficult circumstances. Extremity, here it means the worst of the situations.